Before installation, isolate the punch press, release all air pressure, and confirm every supplied part is present and undamaged. With the air supply disconnected, expose the feeder mechanism and identify the floating actuator rod shown here. Remove only the temporary pieces needed to fit the rod. Leave everything else in position. Insert the rod through the prepared opening, then fit the external retaining ring into its groove with the correct snap ring pliers. Seat the ring around the full groove. The rod may move but must not pull out. Position the green base on a rigid press face. Mark 2 holes, then drill and tap them for the supplied fasteners. Fasten the base firmly and use the vertical slots for alignment. The separate opening indicated here provides clearance for the mechanical actuator. Place the pneumatic air feeder on the base, keeping the feed path level with the die entry. Pass the mounting bolts through the feeder and base, then install the nuts underneath. Tighten evenly while keeping the body square. Next, position the press-mounted strike bar and the feeder actuator so they meet cleanly during the press stroke. Operate the mechanical valve through its normal travel without forcing it. Lock the adjustment and check clearance by hand. The linkage should be rigid and repeatable, without touching unrelated press parts, guards, or the die area. Connect the compressed air line to the visible inlet and fully seat the quick connect fitting. Open the air supply slowly. Stop for any fitting movement, hissing, or loosening. Press the mechanical valve gently. The feeder should advance once and return smoothly. Repeat several times, watching the slide and guide rollers for smooth, consistent travel. Empty test only. Verify feed length and material tracking before production.